Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to drink water. Warm water penetrates deeper into tissues and supports better detoxification. It aids digestion and promotes weight loss. Avoid cold water as it can hinder digestion, cause coughs, and affect overall health. So prefer lukewarm or warm water. 2. Sit while drinking water. Drinking while sitting ensures better balance of body fluids. Standing while drinking can lead to improper digestion and may even contribute to issues like arthritis over time. Sitting helps your body absorb minerals more efficiently. 3. Drink slowly in small sips. Sip water gradually instead of gulping large amounts at once. This allows your body to process nutrients effectively and prevents overloading the kidneys. And finally, drink warm or boiled water in the morning helps flush toxins accumulated overnight. It cleanses the digestive tract and boosts metabolism, supporting weight loss. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.